try your best, but you don't succeed. When you get what you want, but not what you need. When you feel so tired, but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. And tears come streaming down your face. When you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to waste. Could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. High above or down below. When you're too in love to let it go. Never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. I will try to fix you. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Can y'all hear me all right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Emily. Over here we got the lovely and the talented Natasha. ACOUSTIC, Natasha, say hello.
Boozhoo, kakira awiya.
And then, of course, over here, we got the star of the show, Mr. NANABOOZHOO. Say hello, NANABOOZHOO.
Boozhoo.
And over there, in that corner, we got the rock star cartoonist. The rock star cartoonist, Michael Lyons. Say hello, Michael Lyons.
Hello, Michael Lyons.
And if y'all are ready then, I say we get the show started. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Natasha.
Boozhoo, kakira awiya. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the show.
Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Natasha.